The rhythm of drops keeps tapping my feet. The smell of the earth, fresh and alive. In the heart of this moment, I feel I could thrive. The rain, it washes me clean. It's the little things that keep my soul serene. Dancing in puddles, boots kicking high. The rain, oh the rain, it's my piece of the sky. Grandma's porch swing, creaking along. Thunder rolls low, like a bass line strong. I sip on sweet tea, watch the clouds play. Each drop a reminder of a slower way. No rush, no race, just nature's embrace. A wet kiss of grace in this quiet place. The rain, it washes me clean. It's the little things that keep my soul serene. Dancing in puddles, boots kicking high. The rain, oh the rain, it's my piece of the sky. It's not the big dreams, the gold or the fame, but the soft patter of raindrops calling my name. It's the way the world slows, just for a spell.